Improve your English through story. The Beauty and the Beast love story. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long golden hair, sparkling blue eyes, and a smile that could light up a room. But she was not just a pretty face, she was also smart, kind, and had a heart of gold. One day, the kingdom was in trouble, and the only way to save it was for Rose to marry the terrifying Beast. The Beast was known throughout the land for his terrible temper, his ugliness, and his love for tree nuts. The princess was horrified at the thought of marrying such a creature, but she knew it was her duty to save her kingdom. So, she bravely set out to the Beast's castle, where she found him sitting in his throne room, surrounded by piles of tree nuts. To her surprise, the Beast was actually quite charming, and they quickly became friends. They would spend their days talking, laughing, and playing games together. And as time passed, Rose began to see past the Beast's appearance and saw the kind, loving heart that lay beneath. But, as much as she enjoyed her time with the Beast, Rose couldn't shake off her love for tree nuts. She missed it a lot, and even though she would never admit it, but she was tempted to sneak a bite or two whenever she had the chance. The Beast, too, started to develop a liking for Rose's company. He would look forward to her visit and would even make sure to have her favorite dish ready for her every time she came to visit. But, he was still a beast, and he couldn't shake off his love for tree nuts. Finally, after many weeks of spending time together, Rose realized that she had fallen in love with the Beast. She told him how she felt, and to her surprise, he felt the same way. They decided to get married in a grand ceremony, with piles of tree nuts as the centerpiece. And they lived happily ever after, eating tree nuts together, forever and always. The end. Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section down below. And of course, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for future videos. Thank you.